27 September 2019 is the iPhone day here in India. Apple iPhone 11 Pro, which was announced back on September 10th, is finally launching in India today, and here is the Indian retail unit with us. Before further ado, let's unbox it. The iPhone 11 Pro comes with a new color called as the Midnight Green, and it comes in three different storage variants starting from 64 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB. We have the 64 GB variant with us, and I have just unwrapped the box. Let's see what all there is inside the box. As soon as we open up the box, we have obviously the handset, which is the iPhone 11 Pro in midnight green color. To be honest, this handset looks way better than the press renders or the pictures you might have seen. On the front there is a 5.8-inch display, and on the back we have the triangular camera setup on a camera square. So let's see what all is there inside the box. Inside the box, the iPhone 11 Pro comes with an 18-watt charger, which is the first ever fast charger available on an iPhone. Hopefully this will charge the iPhone now pretty quickly. Apart from that, we have the lightning earpods, which is the standard earpods available with earlier iPhones also, starting from 7 Plus. Then there is the USB cable, which can be used for data transfer and charging. This time the unique point is that it is a USB type C to lightning cable instead of a USB type A. So that's the new port. The charger itself is a USB type C to fast charger, which will be only running with this kind of cables actually. So taking everything away, within the box we also have a set of user manuals, which usually comes along with the SIM pin, the basic instructions, safety instructions actually, and the Apple stickers, of course. Nothing's changed here. Coming back to the handset has a 5.8-inch OLED display on the front, which is really good. This is supposedly called as the Super Retina XDR OLED display with 1200 nits brightness, which is the brightest display ever on an iPhone. This handset is powered by an A13 Bionic chip, which is with an 8-core neural engine processor. Supposedly the fastest chipset ever on an iPhone because it is the latest handset. So at the back you see there's a camera square on the top edge, which has the triangular camera setup. We'll just get into setting up the iPhone. It's in India. We'll do a quick start. So I am switching from an Apple iPhone 7 Plus, which is a huge upgrade for me personally. So quick start looks fairly simple. We just proceed by we are supposed to keep our handset closer to the older handset. So let's try it out. So these are the two iPhones here with us. The iPhone 7 Plus on the left hand side and the new 11 Pro on the right hand side. Oh, as soon as you unlock the iPhone, I could see a pairing option, which will pair the older iPhone with the newer iPhone. Okay, I need to place it on the camera setup. Yeah, so the iPhone is now paired, and we need to make sure that we are connecting to an authorized client. So it asks us to put in the passcode of the other iPhone. I'll just quickly put in the passcode, and here we are. We are now getting started for our setting up of the new iPhone. Before we further proceed, there was the iOS 13.1 update waiting for us. I'll finish it off with that first. And if you get a new iPhone 11 Pro, we really recommend you to install the iOS 13.1 right away. So proceeding with the migration of an older iPhone to the newer iPhone, we really want to experience how seamless that experience goes. We are back to transferring our data. We really need to do nothing for transferring our data. iPhone, while the setup actually handles it completely. It took around half an hour to transfer my 50 gigs of data with all my photographs, messages, call logs, and everything there on the newer iPhone. So that's it for the unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro. We'll be testing out the handset more with the latest camera features built in. So stay tuned for more. I'll see you around.